సంచలనానికి మారు పేరు వీణా మాలిక్. పాకిస్తాన్ నుంచి ఇప్పుడు డైరెక్ట్గా హైదరాబాద్ వచ్చేసింది. హైదరాబాద్లో నగ్న సత్యం అనేటువంటి ఒక సినిమా ద్వారా తెలుగుకు పరిచయం కాబోతోంది. ఇప్పుడు మనతో పాటు వీణా మాలిక్ ఉంది. హాయ్ వీణా, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ we welcome you to the Telugu industry. So how you feel about this industry?
Thank you very much. I'm already feeling really great. So much of love and so much of care, and of course I've been always looking forward to come over here, and finally I'm here.
What is this naked truth?
Well, for that you have to wait till the movie's in theaters, and the time people they have to wait for the naked truth.
I mean, being sensationalized, be it Big Boss or with Mohammad Asif, whatever things. So you like being sensationalized or what?
Of course not. I think there's not just one aspect of your personality when it comes to any other human being. I think there's so many things about you. At times you're emotional, you're simple at the same time, you're cute, of course you're an actor. Yes, I do have a very hot image and all that, but I don't find myself really hot. I think I'm just not too pretty and all that, but yeah, that's the kind of image I have. And I think when you're a celebrity, people they do think about you in different aspects of yours, but I'm still here to explore more, and I think it's just the beginning. So I think people will see more of Veena Malik in future.
I mean, you do have people who loves you and who hates you also. I mean, the comparison, how you
Yeah, I mean, like any other celebrity, yes, people they love me, people they hate me also. They love to hate me, they hate to love me. I think it's like any other celebrity. But yes, I think whenever someone hates you, criticizes you, of course, there's always a very strong emotion to criticize you. In any way, they definitely want to see something good in me, and they keep criticizing me. But I think I take it very positive.
I mean, have you defend the issues like Mohammad Asif or whatever? I mean, how you defend the issues?
I think I have always stood for the right things in my life. Whenever I see something wrong, I don't hesitate to raise my voice and all that. So I think everyone should be like that. So I'm just, that's in my design.
I mean, you are doing Bollywood films and other films also. Why you choose Telugu industry?
I always wanted to explore Telugu industry because, trust me, since I'm here in India, I always wanted to come over. But it's just that I was waiting for the best project to make my debut with, and I think the best project has come now.
So you like the story?
I love the story. I think the very few things like any other actor, but I think when it comes to me, of course, story is the first thing. Then of course teams matters, matters a lot, and then of course I think these are the things, and I think I've been very happy. I've been very lucky that I got such a good team, and I got such a beautiful storyline, and I'm more than confident.
You are celebrating Diwali here. I mean, how?
See how, like, wearing this beautiful color, enjoying, and I think by the end of this evening probably I would be eating a lot of sweets also. So yes, I think this is the third Diwali of mine here, and I'm very happy. Okay, iNews, yeah? Hello everyone, this is Veena Malik, and I wish you a very happy Diwali season. I love you all.
One hard post for iNews.
Hey everybody, this is Veena Malik, and you are watching iNews. I wish you a very happy Diwali. Keep celebrating.
సెన్సేషన్లు క్రియేట్ చేయడమే తనకి ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అంటూ ఉంది వీణా మాలిక్. అది ఆ మొహమ్మద్ ఆసిఫ్తో విషయం అవనండి, అష్మిత్ పటేల్తో విషయం అవనండి, ఫోటోషూట్ విషయం అవనండి, ఏదైనా తను ఎప్పుడు కూడా వార్తల్లో ఉండాలనుకునే వీణా మాలిక్ ఇప్పుడు నగ్న సత్యం అనేటువంటి తెలుగు సినిమాతో ఎలాంటి సెన్సేషన్స్ క్రియేట్ చేయబడుతుందో చూద్దాం. రేపటి నుంచి షూటింగ్ స్టార్ట్ అవబోయే ఈ చిత్రం మొత్తం షూటింగ్ అంతా కూడా హైదరాబాద్లోనే జరగబోతోంది. సో త్వరలో షూటింగ్ పూర్తి చేసుకొని రిలీజ్ అవబోయే ఈ చిత్రం ఎలాంటి సెన్సేషన్స్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తుందో చూడాల్సిందే. కెమెరామెన్ శివతో ఫణి, iNews, Hyderabad.